This is the point where we stopped. McCavity is a mystery cat who performs many actions, who is beyond our knowledge, and it is mystery. But when the group of police or the flying squads reach the place scene of crime, McCavity is not there. He is hidden. He becomes unknown. He disappears. So it is confusing for the police people and it is confusing others. This is the end of first stanza. Now we are going to read the second stanza. Shall we read the second stanza now? Okay. McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. Underline these words of repetition, children. Name McCavity is repeated. McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. Shall we read the stanza again? McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. Now, let's move ahead to the explanation of second stanza. What we are going to do now? We are going to see the explanation of second stanza. McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. See, here there is a repetition of words and even this line can be considered as exaggeration. A poetical device is applied here, exaggeration. In one other class, I'll talk about the poetical device, but just I'm telling you a poetical device called exaggeration. You know what is called exaggeration, children? When you intend to say something, you will just tell things in a better way or you will make things in a worse way. Here you can see the intensity, how it has been rose up. Okay, the intensity of how the quality of a cat is being described. A cat is being personified as a human being. The intensity of describing things is called exaggeration. You know what is called exaggeration? Yes, when you exaggerate, when you just make things bigger. Okay, that is called exaggeration. If you want to know the meaning of the word exaggeration, if you have a dictionary in hand, you can find out. Exaggeration, exaggerating, the way you intend to say things, the way you intend to tell things, or the intensity in which you convey is called exaggeration. That is a poetical device. McCavity, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. You'll say, no, there is no one like my friend, and she is known for this, that. If you like a cricket player, you'll go on exaggerating them. The same the poet is doing here. He is exaggerating the quality of a mystery cat. Beautiful. He has broken every human law. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So, McCavity has broken every human law. You know that human law are designed only for human beings. But here, he has broken every human law. And when we are going to take it another point, it is not a cat, children. A man being disguised as a cat. You can imagine a man being disguised as a cat. That is why I asked you to have in your mind in a Tamil movie. Am I right? I asked you to have in your mind a Tamil movie which is enacted by Vikram. So here you can imagine that McCavity may be a human being. He is disguised as a cat. He has broken every human law. And not only that, he breaks the law of gravity. What is called gravity, children? The earth exerts some pressure. Yes, you know what is called gravity. You would have read in physics. The earth exerts some pressure. If you throw an apple, it should come down. And when you jump, you will come down. That is called gravity. But this McCavity breaks the law of gravity. How it happens? It's something thought-provoking, you can say. It's something unimaginable. Okay. How he breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. What is called powers of levitation? You know what is called levitation. Levitation means floating. Can a human being float in air? Yes, they can float when they have a parachute or when they go for paragliding. They will float in air without the support of parachute. Can they fly in air? Can they float in air? No, that will not happen. But this McCavity, his powers of levitation, he is floating in air. And that is making a fakir stare. What is called fakir? What is the meaning of the fakir? Who is called as fakir? I should not ask you what is fakir. Who is called as fakir? Fakir is a person whom we call as sadhu. Underline the word fakir and write it as sadhu or a saint. Have you underlined this word levitation and wrote the meaning as floating? So here a fakir is a person who is called as a sadhu or a saint. Even this fakir, a sadhu, will perform many magical things. He has magical powers. Fakir has magical powers, but they can't float in air. But this cat, this mystery cat, is floating in air. His power of levitation makes him float in air, and it makes the sadhu stare at him. What is called staring, children? Yes, even a sadhu is looking at McCavity in a shocking way, in a shocking manner. When this McCavity is floating, people will admire him. Yes, that is what is happening. Next, and when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. He will commit the crime, he will disappear from the place, or he will float away from the place, or he will vanish from the place. You can take it according to your wish. But after committing the crime, McCavity will not be there. So this is what. Next, you may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. When you search for McCavity, you may seek him in the basement. You know what is called basement, children? The down part, basement, down floor. You may look up in the air. No, he'll not be there. In the basement, he'll not be there. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity not there. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. After committing the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Are you clear with this? So I have explained you 2 stanzas. Are you clear with this, children? Okay. Now, let me come to the first line of second stanza. This is the first line of second stanza. What is the last word of first line? McCavity. What is the last word of second line? Gravity. Here it is McCavity. Here it is gravity. So what is the rhyme scheme? A. Are you making a note of it? Yay, yay. Come to the next line. Fakir stare. Last word, stare. Here, not there. Fakir stare, not there. So what is the rhyme scheme? B, B. Here, you may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, my cavity is not there. What is the rhyme scheme? C, C. See, children, I'll tell you one thing. Again, I'll handle you these poetical devices, but you are going to make a note of this poetical device which I give you for second stanza alone. I am giving you the rhyme scheme of second stanza that you are going to note it down now. And here we are going to finish our session with this second stanza. And what you are going to do is, here I have given you the explanation of two stanzas. What you are going to do is, you are going to read the other stanzas. How many stanzas left out? You are going to read the other stanzas. You are going to understand the poem. It is a poem about a cat and how the cat is being portrayed. Okay, you are going to read the poem, and you are going to underline the difficult words, get the meaning of difficult words. Is it clear, children? So here, I would like to tell you one thing. Read the other stanzas of the poem. Read the other stanzas of the poem, underline the difficult words, and note down the meaning of it. Did you enjoy the two stanzas which is given for you? The explanation is given for you. Did you enjoy the two stanzas? Will you read the other two stanzas? Yes, you have to read it on your own before the next session. You have to do it. It is a very beautiful poem and it is an exciting poem. I could see your eyes are just glimmering with excitement to read the next two stanzas. I could see your eyes are just glimmering with excitement to read the other stanzas. Will you read the other stanzas, children? You have to read it on your own. Beautiful poem with extreme level of excitement. What are the other things that is performed by McCavity? Read the other stanzas. If you are going to enjoy it, I'll be more happy. Okay, children. Read the other stanzas. I'll meet you in the next session. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.